The weave is dying, and forgiveness is dead. I could not give her what she sought. The blessed sisters of Kadai and Kitharai seldom allow prayers to go unanswered. But one should always be careful seeking favors of goddesses. One never knows quite how it will end.
Y epa lagunok ongi etorri Lasto Txapelen kanalera, ongi etorri Warhammer Vermintide bi honetara aspaldiko partez. Atxoko zuzenekoan frogatu genuen berriz ere Rome bi Total War. Eta hori nahiko oksidatuta neukan, izan ere janariaren kontu oraindik ez daukat argi, lehen ez banuen argina orain ere gutxiago, eta elfa beharrean hartuko du Markus Kruger eta joango gara aurrera jasen moduz moldatzen garen. Eta joango gara kaosaren, desertuetara kaina ematera. Kamarak ez denez funtzionatzen ez dut jarriko. Vale, 6 defentsa ditugu. Eta orain aurrera. Gaina dagoen jendea kontuan hartuta nahiago dut horrela, ez gaudu jendea ez gaudu zuzea ongo jokatzen ba.
Coming up from front.
Ai. Bueno, ordin da.
Sounds like. Keep an ear out, or keep an eye out for pilgrim coins. Alright. If anybody needs to heal up, might as well do it fucking now. Trying to look for trials as well. They like to hide for some stupid reason. Oh, you bitch.
Light Stormer! I'll boil the flesh off his rotten bone!
Yeah, you stay down, sneaker!
Vale.
The thirsting one keeps looking for me, Mayflies.
Pues en Aurora
Don't let
con-
him take me.
Berserker. Ooh, boom.
Vale, vengo
Alright,
to
swarm coming.
Nice.
Nice.
Bloody egg! Hoof rat!
Packmaster's dead!
Roderick Blightstormer's dead! I see a storm vermin!
I walk with Sigma!
Hacemos tío guate.
Nice shot.
In death, there lies redemption.
Coño, voy a estudiar la búsqueda cuando vea la...
Come on, Malta.
Play it swiftly!
Bitch. Another boon. Hell yeah.
That sounds like a backstabber.
¿Un lago?
Fuck is that bastard?
Not so good in a fair fight or
Got his ass.
No va a ser.
Ammo. Alright. Let's clear out this swarm first, and then we'll do the challenge.
Perfect! We shall put them to use.
More to do! Always more to do!
Let's do this trial.
There's a troll nearby.
Oh, hell yeah. Troll. Fucking easy.
Stupid and ugly. Where that troll reminds me of someone else. Rattley.
The gunlet is down. Gasper. The power of Sigmar compels thee.
Gasper's dead. The troll must have won it.
You did it! Don't forget to claim your reward.
See? Bit of liniment and I'm good as new. Rot bloods and ratties. Like they knew we were coming.
Perhaps they did. It is likely their sorcerers anticipated our
Bueno,
plan.
vengo visitas.
Lucky us.
Oh, hell yeah.
Lucky them.
Shields incoming!
Nope.
Un rato antes.
This is actually a pretty good team. Last team I had, we kept dying. Everybody ready? Cool.
Ritual. Hold your ground and fight.
What's that ritual for? Now, who
Oh,
cares?
fucking hate this one. Might be Chaos Spawn, might be Storm Fiend. Let's hope it's one of those two. Minotaur sucks. Stay in the circle, please. Goes by faster. No Beastmen, so yeah, it should be Chaos Spawn. I knew there was two, little bastard.
That sorcerer will summon no more wind.
There we are.
I am lost.
For cold friends and bloody Sigmar.
Just what we needed.
Reckon I'm done for.
Heal yourself, Marcus. Now.
Still bloody hurts, but at least I'm not bleeding now.
Silence that blood storm until we can breathe again.
I need help.
Come help.
This wizard has a present for you, Blightstormer!
That sorcerer must die if the storm is to cease.
Do you suppose there are any other spots?
We've a fire rat to deal with, me, please.
Fire is too good for vermin, but fire is also generous and giving.
I hear Skaven
Gotcha.
machinery.
Sigma has guided us to healer's tools.
Skaven gunner!
Prowling gun. Ha! Ratmen, Northlanders. The one deserves the other. Let them see.
Do you have any of those strange coins? Offer them to the shrine to receive a boon, or maybe a miracle to benefit everyone. I won't judge much. Your coins are your own. Do with them as you think best.
Zentratu gaitezen.
Well, actually blow strong. We'll prevail.
guides you.
So many. Even I cannot prevail. Don't let it confuse.
Don't look healthy, Sienna. Rouse yourself, Elf. We yet have a duty.
I'm glad Adolf isn't here to see me use these worthless arrows.
So why didn't Sigmar drive the forces of chaos back if he was so powerful?
Faith needs purpose. These unhappy wastes and their heretics provide it.
So if chaos is destroyed, there's no need for Sigmar any longer. Interesting.
That is not what I said.
We'll be fine, so long as the dead stay dead.
Don't stop.
Guazen Kerillanekin horrela bieta joango gara.
Good work. Keep going.
It's preparing to fire!
Bombs bound.
Like it's our problem no more.
Bloody battering ram. That's what I am.
Take it, eyes!
For Tall Friends and bloody Sigmar. Yeah!
More to do. Always more to do. Next one.
Vale.
More.
Stay clear of that brute. The troll is no evil.
Definitely felt better.
You look pale, wizard.
Yeah, no backslapping. Get it done.
Why celebrate? We have yet to finish. Time for a potion. Go.
by a thread here.
You're wounded, Probab!
The dead are always with us.
I know I have hooked that.
Strangler's dead. Rattling gun. Has to be. Reckon the roof will hold?
Bandages, tinctures, and medicine.
I'll never understand why you choose your patron as you did me, Fly.
Well, wasn't much food about when I was a nipper. It's good to have toll about when you're starving.
Ah, each to their own.
Good. Stop.
Take us off the blade!
Healing drop. I'm bothered. That else on a killing spree. Bloody gorgeous.
Poison rat. Find it. Kill it. Pull them off there. Drop of this will help me along.
Poison rat. Gas rat. You don't see it?
The devious elven mind is impossible to decipher. She decides to shoot me
Estoy
now?
dejando que se dé la... A ver, voy a hacer. Mendicato regalo. Allora, ya.
Have a care! Hook that!
A dead Podmaster is a sight for sore.
Take out that rattling. Shot. Yeah, that rattling's done for. I wonder what the Northlanders want with this forest.
Strike them down!
Not yet. You're a bit pale, some of them.
Supplies for our ranged weapons.
An empty quiver serves no one.
I breathe. Let me tend these wounds. Ha!
Gogorra izango da.
By the comet, how does that still stand? Fill your pouches and quivers while you can. That is no more.
The Chaos Gods seek entertainment in other lands. You may proceed in relative safety.
Mine is a tale of heroism made wise. You merely share.
Potion here.
A slow, lumbering target after all. Over here.
Lovely shot!
The mysteries of the Chaos Wastes. What do you think created them?
Oh, yeah, no, I know this one. It was all down to a plague of frogs, or something.
There might be something in that.
A ruined lair, a seat of sinfulness.
There's a bomb here. Healing draft, if needed.
A vile brew, make no mistake.
Strangler! Over there, kill it!
I killed the hook rat!
Listen, a flag bearer comes.
So many dead, and more to follow.
Vale, tiene que sonar por ahí.
Suspended blood and holy power!
Are we sure this is a path?
Lightstormer, watch the winds! Sometimes I do wonder how you're still alive, my friends. Kill the sorcerer, kill the storm. The Blightstorm is finished.
Over there!
So, this Marius Holzayer, he's a heretic?
Of the worst kind. He writes as one fascinated by the Chaos Gods. Not that I've read it myself.
Sure, whatever you say. But you do know that we've got loads of his paintings in the kitchen.
Do not remind me. Luna's judgment is appalling.
Sponges are filthy.
Hold it! This will do our humans good. One moment. A banner of blasphemous power!
Only an amnesiac owns so many books. Lumberfoots, can you not see? This is the path.
That elf knows how to clear a path, I'll give her that! I'm an horse, you know. Bloody horse! Anyone fancy a bomb?
Leech! I hear it.
The transgressions of the faithless.
There's an assassin close by!
Watch out! Breach incoming!
Well, we've not fallen into the valley, so that's good.
Run through the next.
One for the horse!
Keep on it!
Rakira's bones, a rat ogre! I hear the Pale Queen.
Your eyes dim. Is death near?
Yeah, it's funny, isn't it?
That's a gutter runner.
There is no escape.
Kneel before Sir Kruger, you filthy fool!
You did it! Don't forget to claim your reward.
It's only a start, Thunderfoots. Not more yet.
Stop coming in!
I need ammunition. If Sigmar can become a god, so can any of us. What would you do?
See my place? Besides, sounds like a lot of work.
Oh, for a shame that the divine life isn't to be yours.
Voy a hacer...
Oh, I'll get you for that! Assassin, I hear it!
Uf. Wow. Vale. Bueno, es bastardo. Mapa hau esaidei gustatzen. Baina ben. Ez egin beharko du. Vale. Orain gertatu da. Oso randoma izan da.
Ammunition!
A rat ogre, full of fury. War funding!
Mine is a tale of heroism, Dave White. You really share it. So much reward. Is that right?
Hear that? Sounds like an assassin.
Ya guarro izan da.
Fine shot, no mistake. Taste more of it!
If we stray into the realm of chaos, you're on your own, bloodlings.
Chuck in a bomb! Bloody Blightstormer! Gutter runner!
Ah, la guasa en aurrera. Sí, se han dado.
I'll never understand why you chose your patron as you did, Mayfly.
Sigmar remains the only choice for the righteous. All others exist only in his shadow.
They're just a pale shadow of the true elven gods, you know.
Shielded rats, take heed! Strangle needs to die, Dory. Break this shot, I abjure thee! Getting closer. Don't let it shoot. Right now.
Bueno, feste ez dakit. Gixakekin jolasten bilen eta bapatan desagertu egin dira. Bueno. Assassin's Flag eta hori bukatu ostean, bueno. Beste joko mota bat garrezkoa neukan. Eskabenak izango litzateke negazionistak eta besteak terrorista gaudenak. Egia esateko gure etxaien jainkoa nola esango nuke, gaixotasunen eta horrelako gauzen jainkoa da, beraz esan daiteke alde horretatik bueno, orain festa datorren asko zer handiagoa da.
Aha! The winch controls the gate.
A beast of carrion for the Morlai hay!
Orain badator Kriston festera bai. A ver. Gainera orain da bizi ira momento horietakoa, estresa. Nola joko hori. Dikonena, nola joko hori. The Last of Us, espera. Ez du gogoratzen izena. Motorra erabiltzen duzuna.
That sorcerer must die if the storm is to cease.
One Kazaki boom.
Yes.
Coming through. Vortex wind. A farmer fly. I cast.
The storm cannot live without its master.
Oh, no la bajo Gori. Datos era zombie olegada handia. Death Stranding. Ez dut gogoratzen. Bizitza bersortzen gaude denbora guztien, beraz. Gainera ez duzun jartzen zenbat denbora egon behar zaren hemen entzaiak bukatzen, espresanta gorriak atzen da.
Have a care! That's a chaos warrior!
Ha! You want another cookie? Oh, not so formidable now, is he?
Better at this point.
Well, takes a few battles together to avoid the way it should. And to make that being a tale you down last night, I didn't want that. Please, sorcerer, just do me!
Time to bury.
Take that, armored fruity! Johnny armor these Kazaki Doom, just like I told you.
Eta atea segatik eta jaisten.
I'm surprised to see you still here, Elf.
I too am surprised. My standards are slow.
Vale, orain,
You
ireki
can
da.
leave at any time, and yet you don't. I find that interesting.
I'm not one of your quarries, One-Eye.
No, but guilt hovers over you like a storm cloud. Nothing away. Go! Get on!
Goazen gure helbururan aurran egongo dela. Vale. Badago. Orain azkenengo mapa. Orain bai dela biziale iraun denbora guztian. Jokoa da Left 4 Dead modua, baina Warhammer Fantasy munduan oinarritutakoa.
So you have come far. Prepare yourself for triumph.
Orain da dena kagatu.
There's a cool.
Es Minotauroaren Bueno, nahiko erresiltzen daude, baina eske Minotauroa gogorra da. Odolaren jainkoaren txat eta burezurrak, Iepate! Burezurrak trono.
sake, someone destroy that bloody standard! Opening up! Standard taken care of. Killing for the standards making us pray! Destroy it! No rag on a stick!
So you have come far today,
Vemos el
Pilgrim.
Guernica. Eta horrela misioa bukatu dugu. Uf. Ezin gela nivel gehiago izan. Uf. Orain jogatuko ditugu partida normalak, gutxiago behar ditugulako. Campaña normalak. Eta eramango dugu ipotxaren honetan. Behintzat hori ideia. Orain partida normalak. Ea jenderik topatzen dugu.
Bile trolls are coming out of Dreisdunkel mine, and I need you lot to interfere. It's hard to believe, but the Rotbloods are turning regular old trolls into those awful bile spewers. Fight your way down and destroy the altar that's transforming the beasts. You'll need black powder, but there's plenty laying around down there. End this show with a bang.
That's a drop and a half.
Pick up your feet, Tringbarazzi!
The rails look like they're heading in the right direction.
Vera.
Stop it!
Take your time killing it, why don't you?
Fight me fair, runner!
Assassin rat dead!
Ba, hemendik bera joan beharko gara.
Hurry! This way!
Got gas incoming!
We've slain an assassin!
Kendu erditi.
Down here!
What a mess! It's a look at the whole lot doesn't fall in. They'll not pass this war.
Nice shot!
You talent wizard! My sisters could teach you a thing or two. A secret.
You make a trip to the forest ground.
Eta ongi azteko
Can't be
monstrua.
any worse than here.
On the way! Shield won't save you,
Rusty, think of it. There's a friar out close.
Etorri festara, dentro daukagu.
Ammunition pouch is empty.
I found a healing draft.
Gas that! Dead! Police incoming! No more. As still as do me, this is about to get messy. Bogger can't kill a windstorm, can we? Where's the sorcerer?
Es.
Where are your winds now, sorcerer? This way!
State of this place. It's not a mine, it's a junkyard. Baggy! Over there! Kill the lot! That Rakizar needs to die, and... Get it! Baggy off! Don't me!
Get it!
Agur. Benur eta jan jogur.
Keep going! Here!
Badator festa.
Kill him quicker next time, would you? Oi! I really enjoyed the extra mile today. A mile littered with corpses!
White stormer.
Ate, a ver, badago joko bat, dela honeran, bueno, honeran txekoa ez. Pertsona ditzen da Deacon, badakizu nola ditzen den joko hori.
That light stormer is
Zombiak eta bar daude. Ez da The Last of Us.
No sorrow for a dead packmaster. Gas rat.
Death Stranding ere ez dut gogoratzen
Kill us
izena.
as it dies.
You have to keep hogging all the kills, Matilda.
Next one that comes, I'll be sure to let him kill you before I end.
Days Gone usu dela.
That's right, Kruber. Let your training show.
Joko hau da pur bat hor da gatozenean Days Gone moduan. Baina zombiak beharrean, eskabenak ditugu.
Shall we face them together, Kruber?
Neither in numbers or effort. More! A drop of this will help me along.
Guazen hirugarrenaren bila.
The guard's getting away!
Guazen eskabenei eta erlari hauei amorioa zentzera.
Got a runner! Bit of a dead end, I'd say.
Hortik ez bada bestea.
What's going on? You'll never be as good as us, me. Kill the sorcerer, unless you like wading through zone. Wait, watch out! We killed the leech, Johnny!
Warning! Inside! God!
Take that ice!
Pues dut mapa hau gogoratzen.
You reckon you got your doorway with that?
Pack master done!
Vale, mendik etorri gara.
Dory? Ah, you're a gas rat.
Hala, guazen hemendik.
Dory, have you gone wandering? Oi, assassin, show yourself! Move, gas!
I don't like the look of that!
Bestela jarraitu hil diren lorratzei.
There! Gotcha runner! No more kills for you, assassin!
Guazen.
Bloated bloody
Another
blood
one! Did me or does Carillion seem a little cranky?
I take out my frustrations where I can, wizard. And since there'll be uproar if I shoot one of you...
Only the sorcerer's death will end up more.
Won't someone push that damn cart?
Dead of fortune. Come on! Yeah, I double to look at you. Here, just take a swing. You stink stronger than you try.
Leave the cart behind, darling. Fine show, Master Dwarf! Do it again! Who wants this healing drop? For survival. This isn't the right way!
Take the strain, keep the cart moving.
Guazen.
There! Assassin! Don't lose sight of the cart, darling!
Hanging by a thread here. Those wounds don't look good to some geese. Good saggies and dead saggies.
Gunrat in silence!
Guazen bera.
No stalling, Dringbarazzi. We'll get there yet. The cart's getting away. This way. Can't spot your bigot, Rory.
Roland, where's it off to?
Don't let me die with my boots on.
Hold together, Marcus. You'll get through this.
Yeah, a lovely book. That sounds like a bastard. This is the path, Glory. Get it up, then! Get it up, then!
Suffer surface blood.
Here, that's a walk for throw up. Salty there.
Quickly now! Down here! The warp fire thrower is gone! Lovely little potion. Let's make the most of it. I hear a leech on the prowl.
For glory. For the lords.
This won't take long, Bardin.
Easy, son. I'm not made of wood. Strangle a rat. The Packmaster's done for!
A ver, vas a aburrir.
I hear something. Gaslight! Eat my steel, Gaslight! This looks like the way down.
That looks like what you lot would call a healing draft. This wound is nothing.
Ah, love. Feel it doing me good.
Down here!
Listen, leech.
Here, that's a blight stormer. We're in for it now. Good work, Glory! No more wind.
Es Ikutu ni Delfa.
Ah, you're getting the knack of this, Glory.
Did I tell you to leave the cart behind?
Just what? Incoming! Glow blobber coming in! Get clear! Get clear! Deflect their strikes, Matilda!
Save me from the Pale Queen. Save me.
The elf's down! The cart won't move itself, Glendarazzi! Plague worshippers coming in!
Who brewed this muck?
Oi, buzzard! That's all you've got? No, not enough. Try again. Get out of the way, gun team! This on that!
Es Ikutu ni Delfa.
Now that sounds like a lot of trouble. Buzz up the bell, mate.
Magic. Consuming me.
It's a troll. Keep moving. Don't give it a chance to corner you.
That's clear! Live fire!
Guztiak trollari.
Poor troll! Oh, worn out! Let me ease your mind!
The troll! Come here, Water! That's all you've got! Over here! Easy pickings for you! Good live, Troy!
Eta orain oso. Ateo jausten denean.
Well, they won't regenerate that mess, will they?
The portal's open. Time we were gone.
Eta honekin helburua eginda. Iepa, Riverrock, zer moduz! Ui. Ni naiz zuek ere kriston beroa daukazue. Ai. No, askin partidatxa, uste dut horrekin behintzat bi ordutara helduko dela zuzenekoa. Eta hor moztuko dut. Zuetako norbait egingo du zuzenekoa bostak inguru edo?
Good evening. Made it through another day, eh?
Ea nora joaten garen orain. Bueno, eurak nahi dutenean.
Bardin, about that Didn't we discuss that already?
Well, I remember, back at Axbite Pass, old Cazador was there, and so were his Ironbreakers.
Ea prestatzen diren mengoagatik.
I can smell your success. Literally. Oof. Like Lona's special recipes. Anyway, we'll have less of the vile trolls terrorizing civilians for a while. But don't delude yourselves. The packed sworn ranks are still full of the disgusting brutes. And yes, while you were feeding trolls, I received answers on certain inquiries I've made. It seems like preparations for the vile troll production were underway long before the invasion. Yes, Helmgard's own secret Nurgle cult, the Society of Harmonious Growth and Splendor, was in the mines doing bad things under orders from Sorcerer Lord Hailscourge. Did I mention he was also the mysterious emissary who signed the pact with Clan Fester in Stromdorf? No?
Vale.
Well, now you know. Burble spew Hailscourge.
Shame about Usingen. The town's ruined, but there's still a job to do there. The Rockbloods are using the Baron's Manor as a storehouse for all their ill-gotten gains. It's filled with foodstocks and supplies, and I want you to blow it up. They won't like that, I'll tell you. Use the black powder from a nearby mining emporium, but hurry up. There's a fat bunch of them marching on Usingen to claim their loot.
Let's find that manor, Dory. And if a few next present themselves for chopping, so much the better.
And this won't be easy. Usingen's a chaos stronghold now. They'll have the supplies well guarded.
Time to pay for what you've stolen, Kazaki Doom.
Y Manano oso diplomático nada.
Ah, didn't even see it coming.
Mine is a tale of heroism, wise. You
Northlander Knight, on your toes, mate!
Hit it in the head, Come here!
Strangler!
Right here! Give me a good shot!
Dead are fortunate. It's the living I pity. Gates open. Be glad of that.
And I shield pick that
No stopping at all.
Speak. Warming up!
Warming up! You don't know the meaning of those words, Bardin. Rasty! Look angry, darling.
Esta me ven a un troat. Kontusiena magia gehiago erabiltzen badute zonda ingo zarelako. Korratik magia, gizakentzat nahiko arriskutsua da.
Jesus Christ, Sienna! The rat ogre shan't bother us
Pasen
now.
gerilia. Ongi, ongi.
Elias, helm, a globadier! Gasnats, coughed its last! Charge Purcell. There's an assassin close by. Over here, quickly now. You all right, Chizungi? I will be. Once I get my hands on the bastards that did this. Aye, Ross, smiling in your veins. Hundreds died here. Cut down like wheat, tortured. Over here!
That's another!
Sigmar's teeth, what was that?
Go softly into your failure, assassin.
Poke your head out from behind that shield, Ratty!
Next one that comes, I'll be sure to let him before I end them.
No! You two leave them all to me.
Pop that elf goes down a terror path, I'll give her that.
How dare you drag me down?
Don't fret, elf, we got ya.
No la joden sin morir, ¿eh?
Anyone have some healing? Or an arm they ain't using?
Roland! We've lost Carillion!
This is the path, Dory.
This is the door.
Hortik basoazte, hortik joango gara. Hobe denok batera, bananduta baina.
Too thick.
Atzetik erasotzea, trampa da.
Was this town famous for anything?
Chaos Warrior sighted! Let that
That's all you've got? There's more over here. Yeah, lad. Gobbles, the lot of you.
This is but
There's
the dark
beers and ratties are sound.
Can't lie, I'm not feeling great.
Hold together, Marcus. You'll get through this.
Ready yourselves, Strengthenazi. Chaos Warrior. Can't talk your bigger, Dory. We've reached the town square, Dory. Shouldn't be long now.
Take it out! me if you dare.
Rise, Matilda. It'd be gone without you.
A ver.
What about that cellar? Looking touch. We've a leech by the sound of it.
No, we're not getting close to the manor this way.
Oi! Over here! I test my drum.
Ni ese Reiki Raidagatik. Ez liada hau egin didatena, ni ez daukat liadarik.
Another battle, another scar.
Poison rat!
Seems a shame to waste this lot, even if it is weak, manling wine. We'll be lucky to see anything in this.
I think that's a Globadeer.
Kendu erditik.
is dead.
Ni beti topera.
These stairs go up. Manor sighted. Not much to look at.
Be ready. Fighting warfire with steel and shot is no
Sweet
laughing
brotherly
matter.
sword and huzzah! Charge! Ah, that's one for carrot egg pigs. Ruin that!
Oh, besteak ies egin du opariekin eta dena.
Could have held this place with a brotherhood
wasn't
of my
good,
kin. Now, nothing to hold.
Break the spirit!
Ipotxe galarea.
Seems like we have to go around.
That's what we call a palace bar handshake. Still here? Just take a swing. No. Try again. Harder.
Water don't get easier to see.
This is the door.
Odd that these dwellings survived. Yeah!
A ver.
Here, ammunition! Gas rats where?
Revolting could be worse.
Rip his teeth! Crack his arm! One less crack his arm! I don't like the look of that!
Ah! No! There's too much flame! Ocean! Strike them down!
Falling down, Applegate! Come on! Over here! Easy, freaking quiet! My grandmother hits hard on the back! Let's rub it, Rick. Please down. That last blow was deeper than I thought.
I suppose this is picturesque in its way. Is it too much to ask for a moment of respite?
Hey, my God! How about explore?
Lumbertooth, can you not see? This is the path.
Bombs away!
That hurt!
Come on, Russia! Hogger, I'm still standing! Do it proper! Ah, no, you daft! The auto black!
This is the door!
This is the right door!
Even your wounds have wounds, Dwarf.
dirty fanatics! Come here, Watson! If I throw you shot, it's a war! Not enough! Neither numbers or effort! More! Mortals here? Well, we've made rare friends today. We could use a hand.
Salvatu nasazue, mesedes.
The dance.
Vale.
Soon have you fit, Gorkson.
Helburua lortuta. Uf. Bi ordu eta gutxi. A ver, nibelezioko gara. 35. nibeletik 35. nibelera. Beno lagunok, hau izan da dena, espero gustoko esan zaizuela, eta hurrengoan gehiago. Agur!